All right, drink we're about to make is called Preakness Cocktail. And we're going to fill up a martini glass with some water and ice, let that sit while we're making our drink, and it'll be nice and chilled by the time we're done. So if you're looking for a nice drink to enjoy while watching the Preakness, then this is the one for you. Measure out 1.5 ounces of blended whiskey. There we go. Looks like we need a new pour spout here. There we go. And we're going to follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. And next we'll add a teaspoon of Benedictine. And 1 dash of bitters. All right, let's go ahead and shake it up. Get it nice and cold. You may also want to stir this instead of shaking it, and that's up to you. Go ahead and pour our ice water out, and we'll dump it in. The last thing we'll do is just garnish it with a lemon twist. There we go. And bottoms up.